Hey, what's up guys, it's Emmanuel Jekwe here on EA TVR, and in this video we are doing an unboxing of the Oraimo FreePods 3. Alright, so first off, I'm going to take off the rubber. And how do we open this box? Yes. Alright, so this is how we open it. And alright, so in the box you can find the Oraimo FreePods 3. So that is it in the box at the opening. Alright, so we'll put that aside and we'll see what we have inside the box next. So we'll put this. Alright, so in the box we have a compartment for the USB Type-C cable that the Oraimo supports. It supports USB Type-C and not micro USB. And we also have a user manual for the Oraimo FreePods 3. And in this compartment also we have the we have the extra ear tips for the Oraimo FreePods 3. So that is it for the content of this box. So I can put this box away, then we can move on to the earbuds. Alright, so coming to the earbuds, as I said earlier, it takes USB Type-C and it has a matte black let me say coating on the case, and yes, and just at the sides it's glossy. Yes, that's the design they decided to go with it. So when we open the case, we can find the devices. These are the devices. Yeah. So in the devices also comes with its own ear tip. And now the Oraimo FreePods 3 is said to have 8 hours of playtime just for these ear tips. And the case can also charge up to 28 hours. You can also charge these devices and for it to be used for up to 28 hours of playtime, which in all it's making up to 36 hours of playtime. So this is the FreePods 3. Now when it comes to the FreePods 3, the rubber tips on it that you can see is going to help in 2 ways. Now these rubber tips can be removed, and when you remove the rubber tips, it's called the awareness mode, and when you fix the rubber tips, it's called the bass mode. So the rubber tips seals off the ears to give you the bass mode and the whole beat punch and all that. Alright, so now when it comes to the controls of the ear tips, of the devices, it's double tap to play or pause, or double tap to end or pick a call. And another feature of this Oraimo FreePods 3 is about the ENC. It comes with ENC called the environmental noise cancellation, and this device comes with 4 beaming microphones so that it can be able to know what is in the background and cancel out the environmental noise, so that it can pick up good quality sound from you and give to the receiving end. So in this case, when you are making a call or you are talking using the microphone, you are going to have less noise within the microphone and it's going to be clear. So that is it for the ENC that comes with this Oraimo FreePods 3. And this Oraimo FreePods 3 is IPX5 water and sweat resistant. This one can withstand rain, showers, and even maybe if it falls in water for a short period of time, it can survive. So that is it for the FreePods 3. Catch you guys very soon in the next video.